Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you one of the best proxies I've seen so far on the internet. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So the name of this proxy is IPcook. As you can see over here, the name is IPcook, right? Yeah, so this proxy has very cool or cheaper offers here. So let me just take you through how these IPs work, right? So all I need to do is to tap on start for free. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, you go ahead and create an account. But if you already have, you just tap on login, right? Yeah, so since I already have an account, what I need to do is to enter my account informations. Yeah, so my email followed by my password. Yeah, so so this how the interface looks like. Yeah, this is how the interface looks like. As you can see, I already have some dollars over here. Yeah, so let me take you through how the deposit is being done. So they accept Visa, cryptocurrency, Google Pay, Alipay, and then local banks for the deposit. Yeah, so you just choose whatever deposit you think would work for you. Yeah, and the minimum deposit for Visa is $20. I think crypto is also $20. Yeah, all the payments method are $20, right? Yeah, so let's say you've deposited an amount into your account, right? So this is how you go about the proxy. So what you need to do is to buy the proxy, right? Yeah, so we have plans over here. We have $3.2, that's per gigabyte. All right, yeah, that's the basic plan, right? Yeah, so what you need to do next is to go to manage proxies. After you've bought your proxy, you go to manage proxy and then tap on sub account. So before you be able to connect it, you have to create a sub account, which I have already done over here. Yeah, so the sub account creation of the sub account is very simple. You just tap on this sub account over here, right? Yeah, then you enter the username and then the password, meaning you're going to create one. Yes, and then you enter the allocated traffic in gigabytes. Yes, so when you are done, you just go ahead and tap on set up proxies. That's where you are going to select your proxy type, whether being residential, ISP, and then data center. So let me just go in for residential proxies, right? Yeah, so yeah, you are going to choose your proxy, your country, right? So let's say I want USA. Okay, yeah, then you come to the state or city, then you choose anyone. Let me go in for Alaska, right? Yeah, and then with the city, I'll choose any random one. With the protocol, I myself, I'll recommend SOX 5 for you for survey and then all those, yeah, for survey purposes. Yeah, so with the rotation, I'll go for static IP. Yeah, I want it to be static, right? Yeah, so after doing all that, what you need to do is to select the duration. So let's say I want 24 hours. Okay, so I just select the 24 and then hours. So 24 hours. Yes, after you are done, you are just going to select your sub account. Okay, yeah, sub account from the sub account you created. Yeah, so the sub account I created, right? Yeah, when you're done, you tap on generate. Okay, you tap on generate. So this is where you're going to enter the quantity, right? Yeah, so let's say I want only 5. So it's going to give me the port, username, and then the password. So if I should tap on generate right now, it's going to show over here. Come on, let me show you guys. It will show over here, somewhere here. Yeah, but for security reasons, I won't show those IPs. Let me go ahead and then show you how you are going to connect it on your iPhone or any device. Yeah, so this is how you'll be able to connect your proxy on your iPhone, okay, yeah, or any device. So you download this particular app called Potato. Okay, so after downloading it, you tap on here. Okay, yeah, you tap on here and then tap on the plus sign. Yeah, it means you are coming to create a proxy or you are coming to configure a proxy. Then you tap on manual inputs, right? So when you tap on the manual input, since we selected SOX 5, you're coming to select SOX 5 over here. Then the server. So the server from the IPs I generated was 127.0.0.1. Okay, yes, and then the port is 40000. Okay, yeah, so I'll just go ahead and then connect my proxy. Yeah, So I'll tap on connect over here. Yeah, so let's check if our proxy has been connected successfully. So let's go to hoa.net, right? So we are checking if our proxy has been configured. Yeah, so as you can see, this our proxy over here. Yes, everything is working successfully. As you can see, the state or the country has been changed. So that's it for today's video. If today is your first time, make sure you subscribe and then like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.